Today we'll be talking about Phantom, which has its own blockchain network, and then we'll also talk about Morales, where Morales is a Web3 application development a platform where you can make dApps, where you can make Web3 development in a much quicker way where you cannot imagine. And we'll also talk about some crypto news. So let's talk about Phantom. So this is the website of Phantom, where it tells that is a fast, high throughput, open source smart contract platform for digital assets and dApp. This is a EVM compatible, so this is similar to Ethereum, and it has got more features. So this is the network scan where you can. So this is similar to the Ether scan or BSC scan, where you can scan the different addresses and check out all the details of the blocks. And so there is also a multi-chain where you can bridge, where you can connect to other blockchain networks, and then there is also a Phantom wallet, and then a lot of projects are on the Phantom blockchain. So here it is fast, and then it's secure, and the gas price is much less. So here it's this platform is picking up already. Around 80 plus dApps are already on the Phantom network, and we do development on this, so that's why we are making a small video about its features and how this project is doing well. So there are a lot of exchanges. DEX is a decentralized exchange, so these are the different DEX exchanges. Like, you can go to the website and you can check out all these. So these are all based on the Phantom blockchain network. Then there are many lending and borrowing. So these are lending and borrowing platforms. So what are these? So here, like, you can buy crypto, and then like you can lend it to the platform and you can get some interest out of it. And also, like, you can borrow crypto based on your deposits, based on how much crypto you have. So generally, like, they give from 50 to 100% of your crypto deposits as a loan, and you have to pay a simple interest based on that. And since the price of crypto is rising, like in the times to come, so obviously the loan can pay it itself. So this is the good thing about cryptocurrency markets, where a loan, like if you take a loan and the market is rising, then it automatically pays it off. So, but do your due diligence, take the help of a mentor, do study like about the different cryptocurrencies, the different networks, and don't listen to news, because news in social media can be fabricated. And last time, like, I made a video of a rug pull, a scam cryptocurrency coin, like, which is being pumped up by the project owners and by the group. And so like, if you check my old videos, then like you'll come to know like how scamming is done and how to avoid scams in cryptocurrency markets. But here, this video, like, I'm talking about more about programming. I'm talking about more programming and how like what can be done with the Phantom blockchain network. So here also there are different like yield optimizers. So these are like, I'll make another video about yield farming and all. So this is a more a bit of finance, bit of tech in yield farming, like if you want to understand the concepts behind it. And also there are like NFT platforms. So these are a few NFT platforms which are there on the Phantom blockchain. And so these things are picking up, so it doesn't matter which blockchain network you use for NFTs. And to make sure that you like use a popular one, like where the project still goes on and it's not closed like in the times to come. So that's another worry about the NFT platforms these days. Then there are different tools for based on this Phantom network. So these are the different tools. So these are different tools for development, and this is the scan, this is the explorer, this is the blockchain explorer. Then there are wallet, and like all these things are there for the Phantom network. So you can do some like exploration about. So it's a developer friendly. So these are all codes done on the Solidity network, since this is EVM compatible. EVM means Ethereum virtual machine. So you write the programming in Solidity. So if you know Solidity, then the same programs will work on Ethereum, the same programs will work on Matic, the same programs will work on BSC, like all the smart contracts will work in like EVM and EVM compatible blockchain networks. So that's about Solidity. So these are all Solidity is a language. Like we'll also have a small video about how Solidity and how to become a master in Solidity, so that you can become a blockchain developer in the times to come. So here it is, as I told you, this is EVM compatible. So it is similar to Ethereum virtual machine. Then it's there's something called oracles, where it's a bit more technical to understand. Then it's open source. Then it's good to connect. Now. So what is staking? Staking means putting up your coins, giving your coins for staking, so that it supports the blockchain network and does help in the blockchain calculations and all. So this is similar to mining, but the technology is a bit different. So these days we have the proof of stake, like instead of the proof of work, which is there in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So things are moving to proof of stake, where you stake your coins and then support the Bitcoin network, where less power or less energy is used in these technologies. So here, like if you check on Phantom, so like you get around how much? Like so you get around 14.54% per annum. So APR is so here, like if you, let's say, like I stake I stake around 50, so I get like estimate rewards of this. So this equates to 14 points. So how do that? Like you go to exchange. So you go to exchange, like any crypto exchange, and then buy this coin, FTM, and then it might be possible, like there are already staking options in that exchange, and if not, then you transfer this crypto to your wallet, and then when you transfer the crypto to your wallet, and then you connect that wallet to this blockchain, to this application, like there is an option to connect a wallet, and then you can stake your coins there. Then like then you'll get this like estimated like interest based on like how much, so earn up to 13-14%. So that's how it is. So this is a much more than the conventional bank deposits, which can be from 1.5% to 8% in conventional banks. So that's why those who know about technology, those who know about cryptocurrency markets, so they are staking their coins, they're doing similar fixed deposits in cryptocurrency markets. Now let's go to the top 10 coins by market capitalization and see the where Phantom is placed. So as you all know, Bitcoin is number one, and Bitcoin has got around 41.6% of the market capitalization of the whole cryptocurrency market. So Bitcoin is the father of all the coins. So there's Ethereum, BNB, XRP. These are all coins. Then Solana, Avalanche. Avalanche has also got its own blockchain network. So we'll also have a video in this in the times to come. Then there is a Polygon. So Polygon is a layer 2 blockchain network. So we'll also discuss about Polygon. This is an Indian company, and this is doing pretty well in terms of technology. And a lot of applications are using the Polygon Matic network, and its earlier name was Matic, now it's changed to Polygon. Then Algorand is another blockchain network, Algorand. Then this is Phantom. So Phantom is it's picking up, so it's number 32 on the list, and in the times to come it should go up. So it's the price is less than $2, and this is picking up. So if you go, so it reached peak, like earlier, and since these days the market is a bit low, so almost all the coins are a bit low. But as soon as the market picks up and Bitcoin crosses $60,000, $70,000, then like all these coins are in Bitcoin, and those who are backed by good projects, those who are backed by good technology, so this will also go up. So here it is about a Phantom. So like you can go to tools, technology, and who all are involved in this project. So while doing some research on any cryptocurrency project, do your due diligence, like to find out who are the founders of the project. So if you check on About Us, then you'll see the person listed and like who all they are. And so if you find some project where they are not giving the details, well, white paper is not complete, the roadmap is done, then you should be very much take steps like to avoid these projects. So these are the team members, so like you can connect with them in LinkedIn or see. So like all the top projects, so these are done by the top brains in the tech industry. And if you notice, a lot of tech guys from the FANG companies, from the top companies like Google, Facebook, they are moving into the cryptocurrency companies. So they are like involved in blockchain technology, so they are moving to blockchain because this industry is going by heaps and bounds, and a lot of the top tech guys are moving into this and are working in this field, in the Web3 development, in the metaverse world, in blockchain. And since blockchain is being adapted by in a lot of companies, so so in that we have some exciting things in the times to come. Now talking about Morales, Morales is a Web3 application development. So this is the admin panel where you can simply create a test server. So this is the main server. Like if you're not aware with blockchain networks, so when you do development, then first you use your local blockchain. So Ganache is there, then Truffle is there, then Hardhat is there. So all these are local blockchain networks. They have their own blockchain where you can install in your computer and then make an application and then test it. After you have tested it in your local computer, then you move it to the testnet. So testnet is a public blockchain network for testing. And then after you're done with testing and everything, and then you deploy it on the mainnet, and you do a lot of testing, because once you upload your contract on the mainnet, then you cannot change it, because blockchain by nature is immutable. So once like you upload the smart contract, then it's all done. But but these days we have smart contracts which are upgradable by nature. So if you have some options where you need to upgrade the smart contract with some new logic in the times to come, then you use all this like the upgradable modules. So here so this is Morales. So here you just create a new server, and then since all these are EVM compatible, so like you can click on the mainnet. So these are all same, these are all like EVM compatible. Like as you know, this is the Ethereum mainnet, this is the Polygon, this is the Binance Smart Chain, this is AVAX, and this is Phantom. So you just have to select this, and then so it's similar. So I have done a configuration for the Ringkaby testnet. So this is similar to others. So here, like if you go there, then these two options, like the server URL and application ID, you put it on your front end codes, these codes, and that is done. So this is enough. So all this, so here we have done some configuration. So this is the Morales upgradable smart contract. So this is a small NFT minting page. So this project is of course works on any EVM compatible blockchain. So we just have to go to the Morales admin and then change it to Polygon or Avalanche, Binance, or such other chains. So here it is, like you clone a fork, and like if you're doing blockchain development, then you should know the command line tools, how to install Git, Node.js, and all these commands. So it's not that tough. Like you should just Google around and install the modules and learn the few commands like which are used for installing different modules, and then you can go about it. So talking about, just you clone the whole project, then after that you install all the dependencies. You go to this folder and do yarn install, and then it will install all the modules. Then you rename this file like evm.example to .env, and then put these two variables, and then learn and put up this command, and then learn so this is done. So this application is working, and this is the result. So you customize it. This is a complete Web3 application, so like using Morales. So this is NFT minter. So you mint NFT. When you mint NFT, then already the wallet address will pop up. Then like you connect with your MetaMask wallet or like any other wallet. So these are the like connect wallet. These options are there. So you can use any wallet which is Ethereum, like where you can store like EVM compatible coins. And after you're connected, then you can mint the NFTs. Then it will show in this page, like after you have minted these NFTs. So here is and you can also make your own NFT marketplace or a minting page. So this is all about giving a brief overview of Phantom and then Morales, and then now talking about crypto news. Like if we go, so this is a good website to follow, Cointelegraph, where you will get all the latest news about cryptos and how the market is going, what all NFTs are being launched, and the new technologies involved and all this. So Cointelegraph is a good website to follow. So Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is also investing. So these are exciting times. Like Warren Buffett invests 1 billion in Bitcoin-friendly neobank, dumps Visa and Mastercard stocks. So things are exciting here. So Master and Visa, as you all know, they made a lot of money in the last 4 decades, and through card transactions, debit card, Visa card, all these cards. So now they'll be slowly getting less business and will be wiped out. Like you never know, they might be wiped out in the times to come because of this new technology called blockchain, which is being used in the financial markets, and also all this tokenization and cryptocurrencies are being used. So that's all. So Warren Buffett invests 1 billion. So this is big news, and big news. So we'll talk about dusting. So we'll talk about dusting, which is an attack to trace amount of crypto called dust, in another video. So this is an interesting topic, dusting, how it is used by internet cops to track out wallets, to track out crypto wallets, and to monitor crypto wallets, to like sophisticated softwares of analyzing blockchain wallets and looking at the transaction of funds from one wallet to another and monitoring those, and whether these wallets are related or in touch with all this criminal activities. So this part is also moving up. So we'll talk about dusting, and it's an interesting topic. Like if you are if you like about to know about security, to know about how criminals might use the blockchain network. So this is just for knowledge. So that's all for today, and thank you, and keep on watching, keep on subscribing to my channel. Do show your support by commenting on it. If you don't understand anything, just comment on it, and share with your friends, tell with your friends. About myself, I have done work in Web 1, Web 2, Web 3. So we do a lot of applications on the Web 3. We work in DeFi apps, in NFT marketplace, blockchains, and also take workshops and speak in different business forums in colleges, universities, on blockchain, on metaverse, on NFT, and on entrepreneurship. I'm also involved in a lot of startups. I also advise a lot of companies to how to use blockchain, and then also a CTO, like if a startup requires a technology guy, like advisor, mentor, like how to go about it, which technology platform to use, like whether it is like e-commerce or servers, or and what all open source applications are there, so that their cost to develop and their cost to this thing will be less, and what all tools are there in the market. So all these things, I have some knowledge, since I'm more than like in 20 years in the tech industry, like doing my own stuff and all, and involved in a number of projects. And so thank you, and keep on watching. Until then, bye bye.